Hi guys, welcome back to our channel BPO Coder. If you're new to the channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create a cylinder bar stacked chart in VBA Excel. So to create a cylinder bar stack chart in VBA Excel, we require the data as shown on the screen over here. This is the sample data which I have created to create a cylinder bar stack chart in VBA Excel. Now, first we will be seeing the output of a chart, and then we will be having a deep explanation and the understanding about a chart's code, which will help us to create by using VBA Excel. Now let's see the output of a code first. So as you can see that this is a cylinder bar stack chart in VBA Excel. To create this type of chart, now we will be seeing what all codes has to be written inside the VBA editor. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VBA editor, and this is the sub procedure which we have created to create a cylinder bar stack chart in VBA Excel. So this will be our entire lines of code to create the cylinder bar stack chart in VBA Excel. Now the first line of code which says range E5 dot select, which means you have to select a single cell inside your data range. After that, once you have selected a single cell inside your data, what we are going to do is in the next line we are going to type active sheet dot shapes dot add chart 2, and inside the brackets we are going to give some parameters by separating a comma. These parameters will help us to create the cylinder bar stack chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see what are these parameters are. The first parameter which we are going to give is the chart value. Each and every chart has its own value. For our video to create a cylinder bar stack chart, our chart value will be 2. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to give a chart type. So we are trying to build a cylinder bar stack chart. So in Excel, the chart type will be Excel, or in the Excel VBA, the chart type will be Excel cylinder bar stacked. After that, we are going to give a comma and we are going to specify top, left and width parameter to position and size our chart. After that, we are going to close the bracket and we are going to type dot select over here. Now what this line of code will do is this line of code will help us to create and select the chart. Now wait, this will only select a chart, a cylinder bar stack chart, but it won't be ready to present it to your boss or your teammates. Now to make it more presentable, what we can do is we can use this width block to make it more presentable. Now let's see how we can use this width block. First, what we are going to do is we are going to type with active chart. So as you can see that once your chart is created and selected, it becomes your active chart. Now in the with statement, we are going to type with active chart, which means we are going to do something with the active chart. Now let's see what we can do with the active chart. After typing with active chart, in the next line we are going to type dot hash title equals to true. This line of code will help us to make VBA understand that our chart has a chart title. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to set the chart title inside a chart. So for setting the chart title, what we are going to do is in the next line we are going to type dot chart title dot text equals to, and in the double inverted comma what we are going to give is we are going to give our chart title. For this video, I have given the chart title as cylinder bar stack chart in VBA Excel. You can change it as per your preference. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to set some elements inside a chart to make it more presentable. After creating this chart, we are going to show the data labels for each and every data point inside our chart, and then we are going to create this amazing data table inside our chart. Now let's see how we can do that. The next line which we are going to type is dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element data label show. Once you have written this line of code, your data labels will be shown for each and every data point over here. As you can see, each and every data point is shown inside your chart. After that, we are going to type in the next line dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element primary value grid lines none. So this line of code will remove the grid lines inside your, or you can say the primary value grid lines inside your chart. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to create this amazing table. As you can see over here, the table is created inside a chart to show the categories and the series with the legend keys. Now to do that, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element data table with legend keys. Once you have written this line of code, your data table with legend keys, as you can see the legend keys are also appearing inside the table, will create it. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to delete the value access from the chart, because we have already shown the data labels and the data table inside our chart. So to delete the value access inside a chart, what we are going to do is we are going to type in the next line, that is dot access, and inside the brackets we are going to type Excel value, and outside the bracket we are going to type dot delete. Once you have written this line of code, your value access will be deleted. And then in the next line, what we are going to type is we are going to type end with. So as you can see, we have started our with statement over here, and we have ended it over here. So if you have followed till here in this video, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a cylinder bar stack chart in VBA Excel. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. For more such videos, please do visit to our channel, and you will be able to find how to create different types of charts in VBA Excel. There are lots of video specifically created and made for the VBA chart or the visualization series. So please do visit to our channel BPO Coder and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Now as you can see that we have selected a chart over here while creating it. Now to deselect our chart, we are going to type range and the empty cell address, and then outside the brackets we are going to type dot select. Once you have written this, your chart will be deselected. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Till then, have a great day from BPO Coder. Bye.